Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject Samsung 336B binary E4 Android version 13. Root file 100% working and client order remotely service this file working next time your YouTube and Google post. Next, Samsung A042F binary 5 scatter format dead mode repair hang logo 100% working. Okay. Next, Oppo A78 CPS 2565 MDM file 100% trusted. Okay. Next, Vivo Y55s convert to global with Google Play, Arabia, Turkey, Paris, all language 100% trusted. This file, profile, this Qualcomm and MTK. Okay. Next, Redmi Note 13 Pro convert to China to global locket bootloader 100% trusted. This client order remotely service okay. Next time your file post Google and YouTube channel. I am promised this file 100% working solution. Download any problem WhatsApp emo chat now. At first my YouTube channel subscriber like and comment and Facebook share. Video no skip. Now you see all video you see. Next you see the file link, no link description, and now check comment box or WhatsApp 24-hour service free. Okay. Any file or emergency file need no comment box, just WhatsApp start now. And next, any browser open, next you see Google and right now Borsa mobile B. Okay, Borsa mobile click now, many file, just you blogger site open this file, any file you need. Okay, das model now A042F. Okay, search now any model, just search now binary U6. Okay, many file. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Any file need your WhatsApp number 24-hour service. Okay, this WhatsApp number 24 service, 24-hour service. Okay, any solution, any file emergency need, email WhatsApp start now, 24-hour service. Okay, good night. Next time your chat email and WhatsApp number. Good night.